Hello viewers, welcome to Codex Labs. We are planning to learning the programming and solve the real world challenges. Our goal is help to better programming. At Codex Labs, we use variety tools and programming languages included Python, SQL, HTML, CSS and whatnot. So we are going to cover one by one and we are cover all these programming languages. In future we'll include the many different tools also. So how to use that tool such as a Tableau, Power BI. Nowadays these are the trending reporting and analytics tools, as well as when you are using a Python we have many frameworks like for data engineer, pandas and Spark, also for data science people and data analytic people, and we have a lot of frameworks. So we are going to cover by everything. So we believe that learning programming does not have a complicated or boring. So we make fun and engaging with a plenty of examples and real world scenarios. So basically our focus is not to teaching a basics of programming or some advanced concepts of programming in a straightforward way. So we are going to plan such a way. So we are going to break all the concepts, and we'll give the a brief intro and what are the rest some bit mid-level concepts, whereas advanced will be created also. But initially we're planning for the very basic, so that people have to understand what is programming language. So after that we'll cover some advanced concepts, as well as each and every concept will include some real world problem challenges. So this is something like we ask you a opinion poll, or you can directly share us some challenges. You can ask us some challenges that you want to be built. So whatever you are facing, you have a plan to build. So we help you, and we as a community, not only me and my team. So you have to include. We'll come to live session and we'll go to solve the real world problems with the coding solutions. So it might be any language. It might be SQL, or it might be web application, or it might be some data engineering, data science. We'll cover everything. So in our channel we have two kind of content. One is a short 1 minute video. So the both content will be covered in a full videos and as well as short videos. But in short videos that will be comes under as a reference. You cannot if you are already know the concepts, or if you want to just refresh, or you want to cover the basics or high level you want to be refresh, then you will go to shorts. That will be easy to cover the all programming language in a short time if you have a don't time to watch the full video. The people who want to be know the end-to-end concepts, or they don't know about the any programming, or they don't know about the concept that we are planning or that we are working. So you can go with the lengthy videos. That our videos will be a bit length only, because I was planning to understand make you people that not only for the CS people or non-CS people, everyone in the channel has to be understand. If people they don't know completely about, they are a non-programming guy and they don't know anything about programming, but they are passionate and they are believe that in the technology. So they come to our channel and they learn from the scratch. So within a 1 month or 2 months they are in a capable of holding like doing some independent coding. So that is our main aim or focus. So that is where we are focusing for the full length videos. So if you are already an expert guy, you want to just a brief about, you want to be learning what are the advanced concepts is there, then you can just follow the shorts, and that's a 1 minute videos. So then apart from this, not only from YouTube, we are also in other platforms also. YouTube is a primary. The first YouTube will be released at YouTube only, and then we are planning to join in the other community also. So we want to be cover every people. Before closing this video, I would like to inform one thing: whether you are a completely beginner or some experienced people, so please join our community. It's not about subscribing and activate bell icon. I was try to avoid these words. I'm not that. I don't need your subscription. I don't need to your follow. But I will ask you one thing: if you want to be any concept, just comment this one. You don't need to subscribe or you don't need to follow, because that's up to you. If you like my content, you'll definitely subscribe to my channel and you'll definitely follow me on regularly if you want don't miss any video. That's up to you. I am leaving to you, and in my future videos also I'll never ask to you this. Just I'm saying, if you want to be, you can just subscribe. That's it's up to you. So, and but wherever you have a doubts or anything, I'll give my email ID in the description, provide my contact details in the description. You can drop any of your query into the contact mail at the rate of gmail.com, or you can ping in the comment, and you can post it your queries, or if you have any challenges, if you want to be do some real world power projects or anything, if you want to be understand how the backend situation is going to go work, and anything will be covered in this way in this series. That's it for this video. So we'll see you in the first session. Tata, bye bye.